Hello, everyone. My name is Chloe, and today I am starting an amazing trip across China. I arrive in Beijing early in the morning. The city looks huge, modern, and full of energy. I can see tall buildings, busy streets, and many people. I feel excited because this is the beginning of my big adventure. My first stop is the famous Forbidden City. It is one of the most beautiful places in China. Long ago, Chinese emperors lived here for many years. I walk through the large gates and see red walls, golden roofs, and wide courtyards. Everything feels grand and full of history. I imagine what life was like here hundreds of years ago. Next, I visit the Great Wall of China. This place is truly incredible. The wall goes across the mountains and seems to never end. I slowly walk up the old stone steps and enjoy the amazing view. The mountains are green, the sky is bright, and the air feels fresh. I feel small, but also very inspired. After Beijing, I travel to Xi'an. Here I visit the Terracotta Army. I see hundreds of ancient clay soldiers standing in long rows. Every soldier has a different face. It is amazing to think they were made more than 2,000 years ago. Later, I walk through the old streets and try delicious local noodles. My next city is Chengdu, the home of giant pandas. This is one of the happiest parts of my trip. I watch the pandas eat bamboo, sleep, and play together. They look calm, cute, and funny. After that, I visit a traditional tea house. The atmosphere is peaceful, and I enjoy a warm cup of Chinese tea. Then I travel to Guilin, one of the most beautiful places in China. I take a boat ride on the Li River. The water is calm, and the green mountains rise all around me. The landscape looks like a painting. I take many photos because every view is stunning. This place feels quiet, magical, and relaxing. Near Guilin, I visit the famous rice terraces. The hills are covered with green steps that go high into the mountains. Local farmers work here every day. The view is peaceful and beautiful, especially in the warm sunset light. I learn how people grow rice and live close to nature. Now I arrive in Shanghai. This city feels very different. It is modern, fast, and full of lights. At night, I walk along the Bund and look at the famous skyline. The tall towers shine in many colors. The city feels exciting and futuristic. My final big stop is Zhangjiajie. The mountains here look unreal. Tall stone pillars rise into the clouds. Some people say this place inspired the movie Avatar. I walk across a glass bridge and look down at the deep valley below. It is scary, but the view is unforgettable. My trip across China is coming to an end. I saw ancient history, beautiful nature, modern cities, and amazing animals. Every place felt different and special. China is full of surprises, beauty, and culture. I will never forget this journey. Thank you for traveling with me.